Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unachieve the notes on your Google Keep. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unachieve the notes in Google Keep, I just going to show. So first of all, I just going to achieve this notes here. Just long press it, click on this three dot, click on achieve. You can just undo, which is undo the achieved notes. You can easily done within a few seconds, or clicking on this three dot option, you will see a lot of options. Here you can see the achieve folder. Just click this. So here there is a lot of the notes has been achieved. You just click and open it, and you will see a in the top corner you will see an option to unachieve this. So just click this, which actually the notes has been unachieved. You can also undo this, unachieve this note, and do this option within a few seconds. You can just long press it and click on the same three dots, and you will see option called unachieve. Just click this, which actually unachieve. If you want to unachieve multiple notes, you just press it, long press it and select it, and clicking on the three dots, unachieve. Now you can see the unachieve folder has been empty and the notes has been come to your main page. This is how you just unachieve the notes on Google Keep. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.